to my kitchen. Today, I will be making a delicious Chinese black pepper beef and bok choy stir fry. So stay tuned for a recipe that will leave you licking your lips, and wanting more. So let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need 500 grams of beef steak, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, some coarse salt and black pepper, 4 heads of bok choy chopped, 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of ginger grated, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 cups of white rice to serve, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. This is completely optional. It's my own special edition because I love the taste of oyster sauce. Step 1. Cook the rice according to the instructions on the package. This is the perfect dinner dish. It's an easy 20-minute recipe. Step 2. Now season the steak with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and some black pepper. Stir frying is a fast way to cook small pieces of food in a hot pan or wok. In addition to being quick and easy, stir frying is also healthy. Step 3. Heat the oil in a wok or pan over high heat. This stir fry goes great with white rice. Then add the steak and cook for about 4 minutes until cooked through, stirring occasionally. Did you know that bok choy is full of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants? And it's very low in calories and carbohydrates. Now transfer the steak onto a plate. Step 4. Add the bok choy and water to the wok and simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes until tender. Step 5. In a bowl, mix the soy sauce, vinegar, ginger, oyster sauce and sugar together. Then add this to the bok choy and bring to a boil. Step 6. Now add the steak back into the wok and allow to cook, tossing for about 1 to 2 minutes until heated through. Step 7. Now serve over some deliciously warm rice. And that's it! All done! What an easy recipe, right? And it smells so delicious! Well, I'm ready to dig in, so I have to go now. But please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic recipes. See you all next time. Goodbye!